Hello everybody. Today, or tonight, it's pretty dark right now, we're going to be doing a Bastion lab in Azure. So, right away, just as normal, we're going to go ahead and create a resource group as soon as we're logged into portal.azure.com. And we're going to make a brand new resource group called Bastion Lab. East US is fine, pay attention to the region. Once our resource group is up, we can go ahead and create a storage account. We'll use the Bastion Lab for the resource group, and we'll do Bastion Storage. East US as normal. Bastion Storage is taken. Bastion Storage is. How's that? That's good. We can go review and create. Go ahead and create. We're going to create a virtual network. We'll throw this onto Bastion Lab name. We'll just name this Network 22. Sure. East US. And we'll go create. We'll go ahead and go into our resource and create a subnet. Now the subnet has to be spelled exactly Azure Bastion subnet with the capitals and everything. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So it's got to be that. The subnet is just giving us a recommendation. The 10.110/24 looks good. So we'll go ahead and go with that. Time to spin up a virtual machine to test this out on. Resource group, go to Bastion Lab. For the virtual machine, I'm going to name it Windows Data Center. And for the image, data centers. Okay, for the image, we're going to use Windows Server 2019 Data Center. For the username, I'm going to type in Julian. For the password, we'll do Ricky Bubbles 123 exclamation mark. And for the inbound ports, we're going to do none. None. We're not going to be RDPing into this. We're using Bastion because Bastion is a lot more secure than using RDP because you can only Bastion into a machine if you know the private IP address. So you got to be in the internal network to Bastion across to the computers and stuff like that. So it's real secure. You can use it over VPNs. It's a great way to make your network a lot more secure by not having RDP enabled on your computers. So for the network security group, we're going to go into advanced and we're going to go ahead and pick Bastion Lab. That's fine. Go ahead, review and create. While this is deploying, we also have to set up our Bastion itself. We can go ahead and hit add. For our resource group, we're going to do Bastion Lab. The name is going to be Bastion Tester 1. Our virtual network. We have no virtual network showing up, so we got to check out what's going on there. So let's open up a new tab. Our network 22 is in East US, and we have our region set to West US. So let's go ahead and change that to East US. Now our network 22 is coming up, so we can go ahead and add it to our Azure Bastion subnet that we created. We don't have an existing IP address set up, so we're just going to use the one provided, and we can set an IP address name. So we could just do Bastion Public IP, and we can go ahead and review and create this Bastion. This may take a few moments, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this deployment. So now our deployment is complete after about 10 or 15 minutes. So we're going to go ahead to our virtual machine. And we'll open up our Windows data center and hit connect. Go to Bastion, hit use, and it's going to ask us for your username. There I'll put in Julian and password Ricky Bubbles 123 exclamation mark. Oh, and then we get a pop-up blocker, so we can go ahead and hit always allow. And we'll try this one more time. We'll hit allow there. Okay, so it looks like either it's unreachable or I have a username password issue. So lowercase one for the username here. So let me try that again. And there you go. So yeah, it looks like the username is case sensitive as well. Or I could have had a typo in my password, either way. So as you can see, our Bastion works and we are able to connect to our computer even though RDP and SSH ports are blocked. So I'm hoping you had some fun today. I know I had some fun setting up the Bastion labs, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.